Hello, how to solve 2 to the power of t plus 2 equals negative 12, solving for the value of t that satisfies this equation. So let's start with this identity. You have a power x plus y. This equals a power x times a power y. Applying that here, I have 2 power t times 2 power 2 equals negative 12. From here, I have 2 power t times 2 power 2, here is 4, equals negative 12. I divide this by 4, I divide this by 4. 4 eliminates 4, I have 2 power t equals negative 12 divided by 4 is negative 3. At this point, I apply natural log. Natural log of 2 power t equals natural log of negative 3. Now, if you have natural log of a to the power of b is equals b times natural log of a. So I have t times natural log of 2 equals natural log of negative 3. Also, if you have natural log of negative 3, I can simply have it as natural log of negative 1 times 3, because negative 1 times 3 is negative 3. So what I'm going to have here is t times natural log of 2 equals natural log of negative 1 times 3. Now, if you have natural log of a times b, this equals natural log of a plus natural log of b. I apply that here. I'll simply have t natural log of 2 equals natural log of negative 1 plus natural log of 3. Now, when you have natural log of negative 1, this simply means I can replace this negative 1 with this identity. E power I times pi plus 1 equals 0, meaning e power I times pi equals negative 1. Moving this over here, so there's negative 1 here. I'm replacing it with this. I have t times natural log of 2 equals natural log of, instead of writing negative 1, I have e power I times pi plus natural log of 3. So we go back to the same identity. Natural log of a power p equals p times natural log of a. This comes behind that. I have t natural log of 2 equals I times pi natural log of e plus natural log of 3. This cancels this. I have t natural log of 2 equals I times pi plus natural log of 3. Solving for t, I divide this by natural log of 2. I divide this by natural log of 2. This cancels this. I have t equals I times pi plus natural log of 3 divided by natural log of 2. From here, I have t equals I times pi divided by natural log of 2 plus natural log of 3 divided by natural log of 2. If you have log a divided by log b, this equals log a to the base of b. So t equals I times pi divided by natural log of 2 plus natural log of 3 to the base of 2. Do you know why? Because natural log of a divided by natural log of b equals natural log of a to the base of b, based on this. So this is our answer based on this particular approach. So let's consider when negative 1 equals I power 2. That is another approach we are going to consider. Here we consider two methods here. The first one was when e times pi equals -1. Let's also consider when I power 2 equals -1. All right. So we have 2 to the power of t plus 2 equals -12. We apply the same identity. This is if you have a power x plus y equals a power x times a power y. So this will give us 2 power t times 2 power 2 equals -12. From here we have 2 power t times 4 equals -12. This divides 4, this divides 4. 4 eliminates 4. We have 2 power t equals -12 divided by 4, we have -3. Then we apply natural log. Our natural log of 2 power t equals natural log of -3. Our natural log of 2 power t equals natural log of this I express as -1 times 3. Now, let's recall if you have square root of -1, this equals I. So if you take the squares of this cancel this, I have -1 cos I power 2. So this means I'm going to have natural log of 2 power t equals natural log of, instead of writing -1, I have I power 2 times 3. So let's consider this. If you have natural log of a power b is equals b times natural log of a, I'll apply that here. I have t times natural log of 2 equals natural log of I power 2 times 3. And also, if you have natural log of a times b, this equals natural log of a plus natural log of b. So, I will have t times natural log of 2 equals natural log of I power 2 plus natural log of 3. Now, I apply this identity here. I have t times natural log of 2 equals 2 times natural log of I plus natural log of 3. I isolate t by dividing this by natural log of 2. I divide this by natural log of 2. Natural log of 2 eliminates natural log of 2. I have t equals 2 times natural log of I plus natural log of 3 divided by natural log of 2. So from here, I have t equals 2 times natural log of I divided by natural log of 2 plus natural log of 3 divided by natural log of 2. Then don't forget, natural log of a divided by natural log of b equals natural log of a to the base of b. Meaning that t equals 2 times natural log of I divided by natural log of 2 plus natural log of 3 to the base of 2. Now, this is our solution. What did you get in your own solution? And don't forget, 2 times natural log of I is the same thing as I times pi. This is here in the solution. So we always need to have two different solutions because some people might solve it this way, while another person might decide to solve it this way. In any of the methods, you are going to have the same answer if you have followed it correctly. So guys, this is how you can solve this exponential problem step by step. Any method of your choice you want to use is absolutely fine. You get it. So guys, that is it. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video to all your contacts or your friends. I will really appreciate it, and it's going to help me to keep on making more videos. Goodbye.